Welcome back. Welcome back, my lovely ducklings. This is Miss Shireen. I miss you, all of you, honey. I hope you are fine and safe. Don't forget to wash your hands and keep everything clean to be healthy. I love you so much, and I'm waiting for you. Let's check what we have for today. Today's our video will be for social studies. And actually it will be for third quarter revision sheet. Are you ready for SSE? Let's get started. Here is our first page in our revision sheet. And we said before, you should print our revision sheet from the website to be able to follow our videos. The first question in our revision sheet asks for draw happy face or sad face for following actions. What are these actions? We will check later. Here, also page number 2. Draw happy face or sad face. And we have a lot of actions. What are these actions? Actually, these two pages are related to our topic of classroom rules. Do you remember it? Okay. So, before we start to answer, let's check our rules. Here is our topic, classroom rules. If any one of you raised his hand and asked me, Miss Reen, please, what is the meaning of rule? Oh, it's a very good question. Rule is actions or it's an instruction. This rule tells us what allowed to do and not allowed to do. So, before we do any action, we should ask ourselves, we should do it or it's allowed to do it or not. Let's check our first rule. Look at this picture. What can you see here? This is maybe classroom of ducklings and Miss Reen is here. So, do you remember when Miss Reen say to you, when the teacher starts talk, you should listen. Super! You are very good. So, this is our first rule. When the teacher starts to talk, you should listen to him. Again, when Miss Reen starts to talk, you should listen. Very good. Number 2, keep your classroom clean. Miss Reen also asked you for this a lot, right? She asked you, clean your table, don't put your bottle folder beside your books, and keep your sheet inside the file, and put your lunchbox in your bag. Are all these actions supposed to be followed in the class? So, it's a rule. It's instructions. And we should follow it. Right? So, these are our 2 rules till now. Listen to the teacher and keep your classroom clean. Let's check. Number 3. Look at this picture. What is she doing here? She is a good girl. She raises her hand before she speaks. So, you should raise your hand before speaking. If you want to go to the toilet, if you want to take a sandwich, you should raise your hand and ask to take permission to do the action. Okay? Number 4. Look at this picture. What he is doing here? He is running. Is it right? Of course not. Don't run in the class. It's not good behavior. You should move quietly and slowly. Number 3 here. You should behave nicely with your friends. But how can I behave nicely with my friends? Let's check What next? We have two rules here you should follow with your friends. Look at this picture. What is he doing here? No, don't push your friend. It's not right. Don't behave like that. It's not right. Again, repeat it with me and let him listen. Don't push your friend. Again, don't push your friend. Be good boy. And last one, move in a straight line. Do you remember when Miss Shireen asked you to make a line? We sang a song, right? Line up, everybody line up. So we should be organized and move in lines. And these are our rules. So now we can answer the question. Look at the first picture. I will read the instructions or the rule and you should say to me, is it happy or sad? I should draw happy face or sad face. Okay, number 1, raise your hand to speak. Is it good behavior or not? Of course, it's good behavior. You are good boy or good girl when you raises your hand to speak. Number 2, I talk while the teacher is talking. Is it good behavior? Of course not. I will be sad. You should listen. Super kg1. Number 3, I run in the classroom. Can you run in the classroom? Is it right? Of course not. The teacher will be sad. 4, I sit silent in the classroom. Very good boy. You will take happy face because you are good boy. And here, I work quietly. Sure, I will be happy from you. And last one, I use loud voice in the class. Is it right? kg1, is it right to use a loud voice in the class? Of course not. It's not good behavior. Okay? And what about the second page? It's the same exercise. Number 1, raise your hand before talking. You know already, right? Sure, I will be happy from you if you do like that. Number 2, share toys. It's a good behavior to share your friends' toys. Happy face. Number 3, run in the class. No, don't do like that. It's not good. I will be sad. Number 4, be a good listener. It means sit silent and listen to the teacher. So, she is good girl and she will take happy face. 5, work quietly. Super. You will take happy face. Last one, use the loud voice. No. Keep your voice slowly and speak nicely with your friend and with your teacher. So, if you speak with a loud voice, you will take sad face. Okay? Is it nice for you till now? Okay. Let's check what we have again. Next pages will be for feelings. It will find in page number 3 and number 4. What about feelings? Do you remember when we act the feeling together in the class? I say the action or the feeling and you act with your face, right? So, let's remember them together before we answer the question. Number 1, look at the picture. They are playing. So, what are they feeling? Their feeling is happy. They are happy. So smile and say happy, happy. Super. Number two. What is she doing here? She is sitting alone. So she is sad. When I act sad, I make my mouth like curve down. Next feeling. What he is doing here? He is playing and he didn't make his homework. So his mom gets angry. How can you do that? Don't make me angry. Okay? So when we make angry, we make like that. I'm sad and angry. Okay? What is he doing here? Run, run, run fast. He is scared from the dog. He is scared. Repeated. Scared. What is this? It's party. Maybe it's birthday party. And one of friends gives her a gift. So she is, wow, surprised. I'm very happy and surprised with this gift. Thank you. And here, last one. They are playing all the day. So at the end of the day, they start to be tired. We want to sleep. I'm tired. And here is our revision sheet. And he asked us here to name the feelings. Look at the picture, look at the face, and say what this feeling. Number one, she is smiling. So, she is super kg1. She is happy. And what about the second one? The boy is crying. So, he is sad. Sad. And third one, oh, he or she, no, I think it's he. He is a boy, right? And he is scared. Maybe it's dark and he can't see anything. Number four, look at his eyes. He is angry. Angry. And last one, she is surprised. She said, wow. So, she is surprised. Page number 4. Draw the feeling. So, we have here the feeling and we should draw it. Number 1. We should draw sad face. How can we draw sad face? We should make curve down. And what about happy? Happy face. I draw it like that. We make curve up. Number 3. Angry. I should color with red color and make the face like that. Last one. Tired. Tired. He wants sleep. So we are going to drawing like that. And this is the end of our video. Hope you have enjoyed teaching as much I have enjoyed learning. See you next video and bye bye.